his heart, so now he wants war. He said he'll use your brother to conquer.
There'll be nothing left to conquer.
I know.
Sophia and Lucas?
Shaken, but fine. The boy, he's the one who cleaned your wound. He's good. He went to the wreck to find supplies.
I'm so glad they're alive.
They'll be happy to see you. Through here, come. Take it easy. Don't go reopening that wound.
Yes. I think your potion is starting to work.
To think I could have killed that bastard Count.
You couldn't win this one, Arno. It's ruined. It'll never sail again.
Boats come and go. But it's the sea that keeps Sophia going. You know what I mean? Focus on what matters to you. Because when it's gone...
Thank you.
We'll get him back.
The words of a true knight, Arno!
No.
Really, I've never seen anything like you.
Where's my brother, you bastard?
Safely in my possession. Until he's ready to serve. Until he sees your head in a rag. And knows this old world must burn.
Bastard!
I'll handle him.
Like hell you will.
Listen to me for once, you damn mule.
Why? So you can have your revenge?
So that you can save your brother. I'll make you tell us where Hugo is. Cover my ass and stay alive.
I'll handle this one. Kill the girl!
I'm with you, my lord! Reinforcements are coming! Watch out! They're here!
Lucas! Are you hurt? No! Just stay alive! We'll get you out of here!
You're going nowhere!
You stupid bastard! What have you done with the boy?
He's my son now. My sacred weapon.
The child is with us now!
Yeah!
Now, evil one! You fighter!
Oh, I will! But I'll finish you first!
Enter, for goodness sake! I will! Right away! Demolish them, girl! You're tougher than they are!
Where did you take my brother?
Answer that till I make it you a quick death! Where's the boy?
The time for compromises ended with Emily. Now you die.
Why are you all so desperate to die?
Murdered! Your corrupted blood will soak this ground! I'll slay that witch myself!
Don't underestimate her!
I'm with you. They can't. He's my brother!
Talk! Where is he?
Why would I talk to
We're losing time, Arno! We must find Hugo before Hugo!
Stop your bullshit, Victor! Where is he?
You don't care about him! You just want to kill me!
Wrong! I want to save what I can!
Hugo!
He thinks I'm dead. He gave himself to the macula.
Marseille. You took the boy to Marseille after what happened to your damn island?
Shut up! I will take care of it!
Open your eyes! It's too late! Now everyone everyone will die! And he... Oh no! We must leave now!
You're not going anywhere!
What is that bloody thing?
You damn idiots! Face the truth for once! It's your last chance!
Why did you take up arms with this? To fill the void left by your son!
Do not speak of him! His blood is on your hands!
It was war!
You abandoned us to the enemy! But you can redeem yourself now! Give a noble command! Stop this madness and let the boy go!
Madness makes this world go! But I will fix it my way!
I'd like so much to kill you. I'll leave just enough of you to tell me where you hid you.
So confident!
Dad, we must evacuate now!
No!
I'll kill all of you if I have to!
She's trying to save you, you assholes!
May my faith guide my arm. May it live on for days!
Emily is dead! She was the only chance this world was given. Now you will all kneel before me It was a time for peace, but you had to ruin it! Everything I had!
You ruined it yourself with your lies!
Your technique is sloppy. You've spent too much time with scum.
They've a better men than you'll ever
You're all dying for nothing!
You're mine! Take this one!
This is it! You're too old, or no, too old to fight!
And you're so goddamn stupid! Amicia! He's yours!
It's over! What can I do?
You can stop shouting.
Sorry, Please, don't... No.
It's the right time. And you gave me quite the last run. He's a great boy. And you...
I know.
You...
It will kill the sun. The nebula.
You did it. You idiot. Now we all owe you.
It's everywhere. The rats will spread unchecked. This is his judgment.
Do we still have time?
Does it matter? Let's just go.
Make room. I will take the reins. I have to do something.
How far are we from Marseille?
Not too far, I'd say. Amicia, are you all right? No. I could have...
You couldn't. I don't even know how you're even standing.
You did all you could, and he knew it, Amicia. Besides, you gave him what he needed most. The Count's death. No. Someone to care for. A real purpose. Yes. Yes, he gave his life for us. I won't let it be for nothing. Now we need to find out where Hugo is. That's the problem. Marseille's a damn big city.
The burst of the nebula probably left marks. Whatever's happening over there, Hugo must be at the center of it.
How can we know he's still alive?
There'll be signs. I hope.
Wow. That kind of sign? Yes. It's him!
But I don't think it's a good sign.
What's that noise? Is it coming from the city?
It's coming from the ground! Run! Something terrible's happened in the city!
What happened?
Straight to the hills!
No! No, the sea! Let's find a small boat!
What's that damn rumble? Enough! You're scaring the children even more! Gates of hell have opened! Marseille is lost!
It's the final chant of the macula.
We're all
Mummy! We need to go back and find Mummy! Please get up! Mummy! You must!
We need more people to help! You sure it'll hold?
Marseille, they're barricading the gate. Why?
Because that rumble is coming from the other side.
But what about Stop those still inside! They're dead already! Keep going!
What do we do?
There's another gate further on, but that hay is in the way. Wait, we have this cannon.
You know how it works?
I don't know. Wait. You push here. That must be it. I've figured it out, I think. Go on then.
Whoa! Is that Greek fire?
Yes! The Count recovers some carts built by the Order. So we're going behind these walls?
Don't think about it now.
Let's go, Sophia! Here we go again!
Those tremors are not coming from the ground.
No, they're coming from the city walls. It feels like a heartbeat. His heart commanding them.
Can you imagine how many...
So this is how it starts. What? Our punishment. What the hell? Sophia, hold it! Sophia! Over here! Who's wounded? Who's not?
We're here.
I've never been to Marseille. Oh. You came in the loveliest season. Let's go find my brother.
And I thought you were unstoppable.
I'm not. I just forget it sometimes. Lucas, I must say, it's an honor to have you by my side. You're the most reliable, steady, nice thing in the world.
I don't know. But, you're my family.
You're sharing all this because you think you won't make it? You all still have a lot to live, so you'll make it. This is a damn order. He must live. He deserves so much better than this. Now, just watch your step.
they are. Now that Hugo has become their leader.
It was always his favorite game. Conquering. Well, someone's dream came true. What do we have here? Let's see what can be done. This should make things a bit easier.
Hey, look who survived.
A carnation. It's the first flower Hugo offered me. Just before we met you, Lucas.
Makes me feel old.
That flower is sure to put a smile on his face. Yes. What the hell? Did he do this?
He's one with the macula now.
So we're really going in there? I'm sorry. That's all right. I had enough fun, I guess. And my boat is wrecked anyway. Just tell me we can stop this.
If we can get to him, maybe. But it'll be a deep dive.
Listen, I'll go. I'm the one who...
Amicia, we need whatever connects him to this world. And we're all tied to him. So...
So let's dive. I'm alive. You're alive? Is it broken? No. It's just...
Are you alright?
Sophia's hurt!
I'll try to join you.
Don't move. I told you, I'm not made for land. Not for landing, that's for sure. Sorry. Don't be. You've done more than enough. Lucas and I, we've been through this before, sort of. Not all legends need sailors, huh? That's sad. Go, and come back with him. I'll see you under the sun. Keep going. Hugo's close. Need to find Lucas first. Is that really you?
Amicia, I'm here.
Hey!
And Sophia?
She can't walk! It's only the two of us now!
We can still do this. You see that piece of wall standing below? The rats are going around it. Let's meet there.
Yes! But wait! One mistake and...
I know, but I've been counting. and they keep the exact same pacing. We can make it between two waves.
Good. All right.
Ready when you are. Don't worry, I'll keep up with you.
No!
Oh, goodness!
Run!
Ah!
It works!
Yes. Let's keep running to the standing walls.
Hide, wait, and repeat.
Yes, lead the way.
All right. Now!
Ah! Faster!
That's it!
I'm here!
Let's go! Whoa! Careful! That gate looks stuck!
Wait!
Are you ready?
I think so.
They're coming! Come on, do it!
There you go!
No! No!
Ah, bloody hell!
Please hold! No, don't stay there! Move!
With you! This is madness!
Lucas, the rope!
I see it! Oh! My heart!
It will hold! Breathe! Moving!
Right! Please move!
These walls have to hold! Come on, Lucas!
I'm with you! No!
The bridge! Quick!
No! We won't make it!
We can! Run!
Yes! Yes!
We're here. I think we're safe.
For how long?
He's there, Lucas. He's in reach. Look at you. Hiding under a blanket. Just like when you're sad.
The nebula's condensing around him. So much must be going on in there.
What should we expect to find?
Hard to tell. Think of it as a giant crucible where the macula, Hugo, and the nebula are merging. The visions of a deceived child dissolving into the atmosphere, changing the world. This is the last threshold. All natural laws stop here.
So we must cross it too?
To reach your brother, yes.
Right. Take a deep breath. Lucas! Lord. Lucas! Where are you? Oh, my head. Spinning. Oh. Focus. You go first. Find him. Hugo, it's me! I'm alive! I'm back! Where are you? What's that? No. Can't be. A phoenix. Here. Another one. What's going on? What's going on? What is this place? The phoenixes. They meant something. They showed the way. They must lead to him. Am I losing my mind? Hugo! Are you doing this? All natural laws stop here. Right. Hang on to that. Did you put them here, Hugo?
No. You did.
Hugo! Oh, thank the Lord! Where are you?
I'm here. I'm close.
I can't see you!
Because you're still looking back.
Those birds are the only thing here! They're showing the way, aren't they?
We tried that way, Amicia, and it was a lie.
Not entirely. There was truth in it!
It was a lie, and it brought death.
People brought death! Hugo, I need a way to get you out of here!
You need new ways. Things have changed, but you're still thinking as if they haven't.
I'm trying! Think, Amicia. He's somewhere around. Do something! Do something! New ways. Yes, that's it, I think. I'll keep going. What's happening to me? I feel...
I know you're lost and scared, but I'm with you.
I'll do whatever it takes. I want to see you. What is that? Hugo, where am I? No. Not them. No. Go away. Hugo. Please. What's that now? What the hell? Get back! You're still just goddamn rats! I'll burn you all! You want me to run away? I'll take you back! You hear me?
I've seen you fight so many times.
Don't worry! I'll get them!
You still won't back down, will you?
It's up to them! I have no choice!
You have a choice, but it scares you. Too many, Amicia.
I don't care!
But I do. It hurts to see you fight like that.
Like what?
Like before. And each battle mattered.
Still matter! They do! Stop! Coming!
They won't. Stop trying to be so tough. You might learn something. You remember this?
I need to be tough! I can't break!
Oh, you will break.
No!
stuck in your head. It's hard to move forward when you're scared. I know. It's all right. You will do it.
I will! I'll do it again. I'll learn. It must work the same way. I need to go back there. That's it. You're doing it. You're learning. Hang on. Hang on. Oh, those things are close. Do better this time. Get this right. The brazier won't stop them. You've got to be sharper. There! I get it! This is pointless. I surrender. I'm tired of all this. Too tired to fight. Please, I need to see you.
I'm proud of you.
Where are you?
I'm here.
Hugo, come! I thought I'd never see you again.
Me too.
I was so scared.
But you've done it. Can you walk?
Yes. Do you know how to get out of here?
Yes. Come.
Let's go. Let's leave this hell. One way or another.
Amicia, I thought you were dead. I really did.
I know.
I felt like I was all alone. So I made a mistake.
Hugo, we tried all we could.
But it's a big mistake. So many people are dying right now. I can feel it. And it's just the beginning.
Let's just get out of here. We can make it stop. We'll find Mother's house. And live. Really live.
But
we've earned it. This place feels familiar.
The way out is at the very end.
Hello. Can I do something for you?
Hello. We met already. Hey, what's going on with you?
It's the boy! He killed her!
I'm sorry.
Killed her? What the hell? What's going on?
She's right. I'm doing this.
How? I see no rats.
It's the mistake I made. It's what I've become.
Let's not stay here. Come.
We need to fix this, Amicia.
We'll find a solution, but first we must get out of here.
Yes. Look at them. I loved this place. And these people.
You have to stop this.
I can't.
Just focus. You did it before.
Have you already forgotten?
It's a lie. It's the macula playing tricks.
I am the macula now. I am.
What? No.
You knew it could happen. It's too late.
No.
I let the macula take all of me. Now this is what happens.
I know.
We must do something. We must stop people from dying.
Maybe if we leave, it will stop. Hugo, can it stop?
I'm eating with Amicia. Not just them, but all the others. And even more as the rats spread.
So this is the end?
Not completely. We have one chance. The last one.
Tell me. I'll do anything.
I think you know already. You must stop me. To stop the macula.
Hugo, you can't ask me that.
You're the only one who can stop me from becoming a monster.
You're not a monster.
I will be. If I kill all I love. All these nice things you showed me.
I understand, but...
Please, Amicia.
I'll try. All right. What now? Hugo, where are you? Where
I'm sorry, but you're ready now. To save everything.
Ready? How can I be ready for this?
I know, but I can't stop myself now. Only you can stop me.
Hugo!
I love you. I've been happy with you. Goodbye, Amicia.
I love you. I love you so much. But when you're gone, there'll be nothing else. I'll be alone. All alone. I can't.
I'm here.
Oh no.
Can you stand up?
Yes.
He's there.
Yes.
Do you know what you have to do?
Yes.
Amicia, we're here.
I know. Feels higher each time. Oh,
Sophia, you came!
of course. I wouldn't miss this. Careful, I smell like a goat.
Well, then welcome to your land, goat.
How do you feel? Are you ready?
I guess so.
No point in wasting time then.
Wait. Well, let's go.
As you wish. I left the horses up there. So, what have you been up to these last months?
Walking, fixing the house, trying to exhaust myself.
Does it work?
It's better. Yes.
Good. You had me pretty worried, you know.
I'm fine, Sophia. It's been a year.
Already?
And how's the business going?
Good. Doing more legal trading these days.
Oh, what happened?
Well, I just want to live longer.
Really?
I like a quiet sea better than a storm. Speaking of which, we'll depart tomorrow.
Great. Great.
Is our alchemist coming?
Lucas? Oh, no. He's still on the road. Studying.
All by himself. They grow up so fast.
He needed this.
Whew. Getting chilly.
Let's pick up the pace a bit.
So, do you know where we can put you ashore?
Not yet. But I think I'll know when I come across the signs.
Of the macula?
Yes. It leaves marks on things and people. I think I can find where the next carrier and protector will rise. The next plague. I want to set the path for them, like Aelia did for us.
No use telling you just to rest, then.
None.
Fine. Ah, it smells so good. And the quiet.
Yes. I'll miss it.
Getting there. Boys, this is Amicia. Be kind to her. It's a special day.
Hi. Can you give me some time? I have one last thing to do.
Take as much as you want. My back still hurts from the road.
No storm coming?
You're the only one I see.
It won't take too long. It's going to be all right. No. The sea will look so flat compared to this. Come on, you're getting there. It's me. I'm coming in. It's going to be all right. Hey. They didn't used to come here before. I always knew you'd be good at making friends. I wasn't sure I was ready, but Sophia's here. I'm sorry. Why is it so hard? We never backed down, right? We held. May this earth remember how much you loved it. May it remember all you gave to protect it. I remember. And I won't let it be forgotten.